That's a damn frog. It's a frog. I knew you were a frog and not a bird. What the hell kind of frog is that? It's a frog. Well, baby, don't you need to get in some water? That's a frog. Well, it was right there, but you can't see it very good. Hold on. That's a frog. Your butt. You're the ones making all that loud noise. That's a frog. My God. I can't believe this pond tracks all that stuff. This piece of shit UV clarifier is not working very well. Well, I'll see if it's working now. I'll see if it'll maintain. Because I had to run the pond over to get all the algae out because this stupid thing wasn't working. But I thought, well, maybe I'll see if I get it cleaned up first, and then maybe it'll maintain and not grow any more algae. But I think it's a piece of shit. I think I'm going to have to return it. Ain't that right, Trixie? Can't believe that's a frog. Yeah, it is a frog. It ain't no bird. It's a frog. That's what I kind of thought it was.